In this video, we are going to see a quick technique on how you can disable the SteamGuard in Steam so that whenever you are trying to log in again back into the system of Steam, you don't need two-factor authentication to verify it over the phone or email. You just straight away log in to your account. So that's pretty much convenient, especially if you have a very frequent use of Steam. And without further ado, let's get started and see how you can do this. So first of all, what we need to do is, let's say that you are on the Steam homepage. On our top right, you can see the profile and just click on store preferences. From here, just click on security and devices. And here what we can see is in the account security, it says SteamGuard helps you to protect your account from unauthorized access. You will be asked to verify the sign in into your Steam mobile account. That is SteamGuard. And by default, it is disabled. But if not, you can disable it from here. You will see a disable option. Also, if you want to just remove the security and verify it by email, you can just click on remove security and click on turn off SteamGuard, disable SteamGuard. And after that, you can easily log in by just entering your email and password. And after that, you will also get an email confirmation regarding that from Steam that disable the SteamGuard confirmation. If you want to disable, you have to verify it by email as well. And that's it. This is how you can disable the SteamGuard easily. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.